Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I am back again with a set of cards. This time it's not just 10, I made 20 cards out of this kit and I'm using the June 2021 Wild Hello Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month. If you've been following me, I've been trying to use up all my stash, my card kits, which have been piling up because I subscribed in 2019 and as you can imagine, it's a monthly subscription. It's now 2022. I have a pile of this. It's not to say that I haven't used most of them. I have, but there have been kits that I just was too busy in those cluster of months. I wasn't able to use them. And so this is one of them. June 2021 Spellbinders Card Kit. It comes, of course, as per usual, with all these 10 cards, 10 envelopes, cardstock, dies. I love the dice in this. Where did I put it? I think I put it away, but it's this, the black happy birthday. So it creates that border line, and then the happy birthday. It also came with celebrate, thanks so much, and hello. Let's see, maybe it's here. Nope, it's not. It's not pictured here, but yeah, you get the idea. That's the die that comes in the kit, and then of course it comes with a ton of ephemera that they used on here, and puffy stickers and journaling cards, and I'll show you them one by one as I go along, and anything I forget to show I will show in the end. So here's the first. I'm gonna show you the landscape first. I mean the portrait ones first before the landscape cards. Okay, here's the first one. Again, just paper from the paper pack, and this is the paper pack that comes with a kit. It has tropical themes, but it's mainly themed as a birthday pack, a birthday kit. That's why there's a lot. You'll see that they're in the cards that I made. So like, for example, this is confetti, and these are animals that have birthday hats. So yeah, then cake. So yep. And then there's a lot of, or maybe, I keep saying a lot, but there's a bunch of people on YouTube that, including Spellbinders, of course, that have videos of unboxings. So just type in Spellbinders June 2021 card kit unboxing, and you'll see the contents, the full contents of this kit, because I've already smashed it. So here is the first card I'm showing, ephemera. Of course, I used my gold stickles. I'm a lover of stickles. And so I always incorporate them in my cards. That's the first one down. And then here's the next one. I used my gems. This is from Paper Rose Sentiments sheet that I bought from scrapbook.com. And it comes like this that you cut. They also have... Scrapbook.com sells many other pre-printed sentiments. So that's what I used for the happy anniversary. And of course, these are just my gems that I've shown before. I got them from Ali. It's different sizes. And if I'm sorry that I'm showing, I'm sorry to those who've watched my videos before, but I'm showing it again to show my, to show the new people that are watching, new subscribers or new viewers. So these are the gems, and I put them in, I have a third one, a third little box container like this. And I bought these from Ali. So you see the three different sizes that I have of it. And it's just a happy anniversary card. This is ephemera. This is chipboard sticker. And that's just a banner that I punched with my Stampin' Up banner punch. There it is. And here's the chipboard stickers from the, that's not a chip. This is, what do you call this again? Puffy stickers. I keep forgetting what they're called, but this is puffy stickers. These are chipboard stickers. And they're so cute. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm trying not to give you that glare. Okay, so that's it for that. Here's another one. I classified it to the side. I mean, I put it to the side because the stickles is not dry yet on top of the sequins. And the sequins, I'm not sure if this is from this kit. It might be because of the color themes, but yeah, I used this stickles in there. I mean, sequins. There are two kinds here. One that is very, very, you know, like electric fuchsia right there, and one that is kind of matte or muted. All right, that's one more card. And then here's just ephemera that I popped up using foam dots from Dollar Tree. And this is from the 3x4 journaling cards. And you know, some kits, they don't have these in all their kits, but sometimes they put them. So I love that they did that with this June 2021 kit. The great, because you can use these as focal points for your cards, as you will see in my cards, in the coming cards. Did I show that already? Yes, I did. And this one I used in one of the cards. You'll see that soon. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. Yes, I so agree with that. Happy birthday and many more. And then this one, stay unique, always gorgeous, always unique, always you. So these are 3x4 journaling cards. I think that's what they're called. So, but anyway, the rest, that's this. And then the rest is just ephemera. This is also ephemera. I didn't cut that. It was cut that way. Kind of uneven, but I think it's cute. And I popped it up on dimensionals too. All right. There it is. And then here's another one. I think this giraffe is so cute. He's just too cute. This is a banner from the ephemera pack. That's a puffy sticker. Again, sequins from the kit, and then stickles in the middle of those sequins. Just, you know, just because I'm addicted to stickles, I'm using them on the sequins as well. I just don't like the circles, you know, the holes in the middle of the sequins. So I put stickles on them. I think I'm gonna do that from now on. But isn't this giraffe of it adorable? And it says thanks a bunch. So that's gonna be a thank you card. Here's a shaker. It's probably the second shaker I've ever done in my whole life. I don't like making them. I think they're too fussy to make. There's too many steps, and I'm all about quick and easy because I don't have that much time to craft and make cards. So, but this time I did have time, and so I dabbled. You know, I experimented, and you will see the progression. See, this one doesn't move too much. I'm sorry, I'm making you dizzy, but yeah, it doesn't move too much. I think I packed it too much. But yeah, that's just a birthday card. You take the cake. And then here's another one. This has a little bit of movement. And that's one of the journaling cards that I just cut to size. There, see that? And made it into a shaker. And that's just paper from the paper pack. And the sequin mix inside are just sequins that either I got for myself, or gifts from Helen of Crafty Mama Diaries, or Alma or Sintang Mayumi on YouTube, and Crafty Mama Diaries is also on YouTube. And then also from Cheryl. I think she is My Saturday Creations on Instagram and on YouTube. But she is Cheryl Sabado. Cheryl Saturday. Sabado is Spanish. Yeah, Spanish and Tagalog for Saturday. Anyway, here's the next one. It doesn't move that much again. I guess I packed it too much, or there's just not so much height behind. But I learned, because you will see that I improved the way I'm making it. And that's how you learn, right? By just jumping into it and just experimenting. So this is a 3x4 card right there. And I cut it to size to make it into a shaker. And these are just paper from the paper pack. Okay? And then here's the next one. Again, another journaling 3x4 that I cut to size. And this has more movement. And because I used two layers of the foam tape. And I just put an old lace underneath, just for some fanciness. And then here, as you can see, it has improved because now they're really moving in there. And again, that's a journaling kit, a journaling card 3x4 that I cut to size. That's paper from the paper pack, and I forgot to show you. On all the shakers, I used this, or hang on, oh shoot, or this from Hero Arts. 10 pieces nesting what is this called? Infinity dies. And then this is from Cottage Cuts. It's just frame dies. All right, that's what I use to make my my shakers. And then I just put an ephemera there just to fancy it up, because without it, it's so plain. It's just a rectangle shaker. Oh, and the bits inside are bits that I got from Dollar Tree, and I put them in these Dollar Tree bins again. So I have this too, and then this. Okay, that's what I used inside these. So that one is new and improved shaker, because now they're really dancing inside. Anyway, this is the next one, and same concept, paper from the kit. That's the die frame that I used, and I just put an ephemera there, and again the same. And that's another 3x4 journaling card, and then same bits inside. And then this one is just using all of the ephemera, which I put in a baking sheet just so I know what I have. I lay them out, because if not, you spend time just looking through if you don't do it this way. At least this system works for me. I put it on a baking sheet, like I said, and then I just pick and choose which one I want to put on the card. And I love this paper because these guys are on this. So to pop them up, I just put another paper from the pack. This is going to be for someone. I'll give this to someone who is what we call a plantita. Those ladies that love planting. I can't grow anything. Cactus dies. The only thing that I can grow, I think, is fungus. And I don't even do anything to that. They just grow on their own. So anyway, yeah, just a simple card. Again, just from the ephemera pack, paper from the kit, and then ephemera, love and hugs. And then, remember guys, I made 20, so I have more coming. So I love long videos. You know why? Because it takes the boredom from exercising. So whenever I watch video, or whenever I exercise, which I'm trying to do every day, or at least 5 days a week, I watch the videos, and when people apologize for making long videos, it's like, no, don't, you're helping me. Because I can, I get bored on the treadmill or on the stationary bike. So, but it helps when I'm watching long videos. So to me, long videos are fine. So here's another one, ephemera, paper. That's it. And of course I put stickles in the middle of those flowers right there. All right. And then this die is just from an AliExpress die that I bought, I think last year, that I found when I was cleaning my craft room, and I'm not done cleaning my craft room, mind you. There, simple. That's a yellow piece of cardstock that I cut from my stash. And then here's a sample of that die. See how it makes that like border, and then it has connected to it is the actual word hello. And I used, to adhere that, I used this double-sided adhesive paper, and I got that it says all ton, but I got this from one of my Scrapbook Expo trips, which I don't go to every year anymore, because when you have so much, you just, sometimes there are years I didn't go, because there are certain years I didn't go because I just felt like, I already have too much, that's why I'm trying to kill my kids and use up my stash just so I have an excuse to buy more, right? Especially because Mother's Day and my birthday's coming. Perfect time to be buying things. So anyway, ephemera, I'm so super chatty today. I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay, so, but just ephemera, that I clustered together, and then the die, and then just paper. Super simple, but so fun to make. And then here's that journaling card that I made, the 3x4. And again, I just used that animal paper because they're all there depicted. And I love that. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. Hooray! Which is correct. And then here's another shaker card. These are one of the first few that I made. Again, I used one of the journaling cards, ephemera, and then that's it. And I used that die again. Here's another one. This, I stuffed this too much. You can't see the word inside. Hang on. I love the monkey that's on there. And this says congrats. So I can use this for like a new baby because there's a little cute monkey inside. So that's what I'm thinking about, that one. And this is a confetti paper from the kit. Here's another one. I just put a ephemera there. And then this is more movement because I doubled the foam tape in the back. And again, confetti paper in the back. Simple. Simple looking, but complicated to make because of the... complicated to me. Because of the shaker. There are people that love making that. Not my favorite thing to do, but here's another one where I just used the paper, used the gold, thin sliver of gold cardstock to divide the two, and then just made a shaker. And again, I love these bits. And this says the best is yet to come. You can't see the come so much right there. And then that's just ephemera. All right. Those are the 20 cards that I made. Can you believe I made 20? I can't believe in myself. So I've shown you that. I'm trying to see what I haven't shown you. So this is the stamp that comes with that kit. And again, I just, after I use the kit, I break it apart, deconstruct it is what I'm calling it, and the stamps go to my stamp pile, the dice go to my die pile, and there's a certain classification of my dice too, so that when I need something, I know where to go. And then of course I've shown you the let's see where it doesn't glare so much there. I've shown you the ephemera. And that's it. Again, this is, I'm going to be using the hashtag of Jill Norwood, satmornmakes, and also Helen of Crafty Mama Diaries, cmdshopstash, because that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using up my stash just so I can make room for more. And also because it brings me happy hormones. It makes me happy being able to make cards and doing this hobby. All right. Thank you for watching. Till I see you again. Thanks. Bye.